All right, here it comes. No, skulls! Skull. What's up guys, welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today we are back on the set of my Orion recreation from Kings Island, and today we're going to put some more track work in. We may even get the track work finished today because I realized that the rest of the track work is pretty much easy to build. We just have a couple airtime hills to build and then the last helix, and then it goes straight back to the station. So it should be pretty simple today. So today we're going to get through most of the track work and just see how much we can get through in today's update. So enjoy today's video.
So just to kind of recap, in this clip I finished off that barrel turn at the end and then started working on the speed hill and the second parabolic hill on this coaster, which I had to revise multiple times because the train did not crest over the hill with enough momentum, nor did it even crest over the hill sometimes. So I had to revise it to make it the right size and make it the right shape as well, which took a lot of work out of today.
Okay, so as you can see, we've gotten through both airtime hills here, and after countless times of trying to revise it and make it look good as well as be the right height, as you can see, it's probably half the height as that wave turn right there. So I did a few revisions now, and now we're going to see if it can actually work. So we're going to run some tests, and you guys will get to see them. We're about to see if this coaster works now. So here we go. All right, here it comes. Perfect. Alright, that is going to round out tonight's update, so thank you guys so much for watching, and so far we have the last helix to go through, and then just a few airtime hills into the brake run. So we are very close to finishing track work on this coaster, and we're going to be putting in some theming for this coaster as well, because this does have a very good theme, kind of space theme, spaced around, you know, Orion and coming to we need volunteers and all that. Whatever the theme Kings Island did, kind of forgot what it was, but whatever. We're going to do it here, and it's going to be awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos, as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys, and I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!